So let's continue some few more examples. So page 62, number 13. So let's think about letter B, so which is y to the 1 over 6 times y to the negative 7 over 6. So the property a to the m times a to the n, it was equal to a to the m plus n, right? So in this case, you can make y to the 1 over 6 plus negative 7 over 6. Now, even though it is an exponent position, it is addition of fractions. When you add two fractions, the condition is the denominator must be equal to each other. Fortunately, there are already 6 and 6 here. So you just combine 1 minus 7 over 6. Then it becomes y to the negative 6 over 6. So y to the negative 1, which means 1 over y. That should be the answer for letter B. So what about E here? E is x to the 1/4 over x to the 3/4 here. So we can still apply this property. Now, so it becomes x to the 1/4 minus 3/4, so become x to the negative 2 over 4, which means 1 over x to the, so simplify 1 over 2, then 1 over 2 power. That's the answer. Or you can also rewrite this 1 over root x. Either one is fine. Then H is 81 z 12 to the negative 1 over 4 power. So in this case, you have to apply a, b, r, which means ar times b to the r, right? Therefore, you distribute this one here and here, then it is going to be 81 to the negative 1/4 power times z 12 to the negative 1 over 4 power. Okay, now in this case, you need to prime factorizing this number. So 81 is 9 times 9, and then 3 times 3, and 3 times 3. So 3 to the 4th power to the negative 1/4 multiply. Now z to the 12 times negative 1 over 4 power. Then this is the 3 to the negative 1 because you multiply these two, and z to the negative 3rd because you multiply them too. Then both are negative power number, so you can make 1 over 3 z cubed. That should be the answer. So let's look at very complicated question such as M. 16m 8 and negative 12 to the 1/4 power over 125 m cubed and 6 negative 1/3. Okay, same thing. You distribute this power to every factor. Then it's going to be 16 to the 1/4 power, m 8 to the 1/4 power, and negative 12 to the 1/4 power, 125 to the negative 1 over third power, m cubed to the negative 1 over third power, and 6 to the negative 1 third power. Okay, so these two numbers, you must find out their prime factorization. So 60 means 4 times 4, 2 times 2, and 2 times 2, and 125, 5 times 25, and then 5 times 5. So you can rewrite this 2 4 to the 1/4. Now you can simplify, then m square and then n negative third over 5 cubed negative 1/3 m negative 1 and negative 2. Okay, so this becomes 2m squared and negative third over 5 negative 1 m negative 1 and negative 2. Before we cover this kind of problem, whenever you have negative power expression, you bring up or bring down. So this going down and those are going up here. Then 2m square m n square and 5 over n cube. So become 10m cube n square over n cube. Now as you see, they are right term. So simplify, then 10m cube over m. That's the answer.